bringing to you fully furnished, modern and stylish apartments in an ideal location with the most affordable price tag and by a developer that has a strong track record. The project is close to schools, malls, hospitals and most of the universities in Dubai. Comes with excellent quality finishing and a flexible payment plan. If you have a low budget, this is not the video you should miss. Hi everyone, myself Chelsea Kukreja, your Dubai real estate expert, and in this video I have come up with a project which is extremely affordable right now, looking at all the prices of projects which are being launched in Dubai these days. A lot of clients come to me telling that they keep seeing so many videos of 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, but they want to start small and are looking for something which is affordable, but they don't even want to compromise on the builder, on the quality or payment plan. So today in this video I'll be covering up all the details of this project and why do I think it's a fit for you if you're looking for something around that price range. I'll be talking about the project, the amenities, size, price, payment plan, location, proximity to nearby areas, and why do I think it's good in terms of investment purpose. The pricing is going to start at just about 670,000 dirhams, and that too with a long flexible payment plan. So stay tuned in the entire video, keep sharing, liking and subscribing. And this is the first time I've come up with any video at this price range, so make sure to watch it till the end. Before we move further to the details, please ensure that this may not be the best property for you. For best investment advice, get in touch with me. My handles are given below and I'll tell you whether this property suits your needs or not, or if I can recommend better options as well around this same price range. This project is by Imtiaz Developer and the project name is called Cove Edition 5. However, I would recommend that you do not look up to exact details of the project, including the pricing, payment plans, because it keeps changing and right now there is availability in Edition 5. Maybe when you come to me in few days there will not be any availability. So just note down, there is a series of projects which Imtiaz is coming up in that location and few are already sold out, including Cove Grand, Cove Boulevard, Cove Edition 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is what we are talking now. So at the time of buying the unit, get the fresh availability from me and I'll tell you in which of the buildings we can get a good unit. So this project is located in DLRC, also called Dubai Land Residence Complex. It is just 5 minutes away from the academic city where most of the universities are located and has multiple schools and hospitals in the area. You're just 5 minutes away from the mall and 10 minutes is the Global Village. You're just 20 minutes from downtown Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall and 25 minutes from Dubai Marina and Palm Jumeirah. It's right in the middle of north and south of Dubai and approximately 25 minutes from the existing Dubai International Airport and the upcoming Al Maktoum International Airport. And the upcoming Blue Line Metro, which is already announced and the construction has started, is going to come up very close to this location. Now talking about the developer, this developer is known to deliver homes with utmost quality and attention to finest details. What you will observe is in all of their delivered projects in multiple locations in Dubai, their buildings fetch the highest rent in the vicinity. For example, they have Westwood project delivered in Furjan and in JVC. If you look at the properties in a radius of about 500 meters, you will see that one bedrooms in that location are renting between 80 to 85,000 dirhams. Their property is going above 95,000 dirhams. So that is because the kind of furniture, quality and the finishing they provide in their projects. And not to forget their exceptional amenities that they provide for you to chill with your family. Now I will take you through their sample apartment, which is in most of the projects. Just have an idea of the quality and design that they use. Now this is the kitchen with round edges. You have a soft matte countertop. All the appliances are included, premium, branded by Miele. You have a spacious living room. This is the layout of a one bedroom unit. The chandeliers, everything that you see is included, and probably it's the most aesthetic one bedroom you have seen on my channel. This is the office room, which comes in some of the apartments and in some not. Beautiful floor to ceiling mirrors. TV and TV cabinet again included. In the price comes fully furnished, beautiful headboard with ample of storage spaces. Again, TV countertop, 3 to 3.2 meter ceiling height, false ceiling. Best part, walk-in wardrobes with glass doors and warm lighting in the middle. That's your washroom, which is ensuite with soft top and matte, beautifully well done interiors. Colors are very good. The theme is very good, very aesthetic. Again, look at the background. Very well chosen. Themes and colors. Again, storage everywhere. This is the powder room. Comes with all the units of 1 beds, 2 beds. With storage space. Good colors. This developer has multiple projects in all of Dubai. If you see multiple in JVC area. You have one in Furjan, Westwood by Imtiaz, right next to the metro station. There you have DLRC, numerous projects with the name Cove, and that's your Burj Khalifa. Right there you have Hyde Walk in Jumeirah Garden City. So if we look at the building configuration, it is 2 levels of basement, ground floor, 11 residential floors and a rooftop where you have all the amenities. In amenities, you have infinity pool, outdoor dining, sitting zone, meeting area, kids playground, private jacuzzi, clubhouse and a gym. So if we look at the units, there are very limited number of units. You have studios, 1 beds and 2 beds. And you can see the sizes also, they are pretty good compared to whatever new developments are coming up in that area. Now let's look at the prices. Studio unit you will get around 670,000 dirhams, 1 bedroom around 1 million dirhams and 2 bedroom around 1.4 million dirhams. So these are the prices and you're getting good sizes and fully furnished apartments in this price. Blue Line Metro, which is already announced by the government, is going to come up very close to this location, and there will be a lot more space for new commercial businesses to come into that location. So all the employees who will be working in those offices would need accommodation. Hence, this is where the demand is going to meet for all the people. Hence, because of the student crowd from the universities already there and the new employees that are going to come up and will live there because of the metro, it is going to be a lot in demand when it is handed over in 2027 and will get you a good rental income. Plus, most of that area is going to come to life in 2027, 2028. That's when most of the projects are coming up there. So even if you plan to sell it at handover, you'll still exit at a profit because rates are very less right now when you're investing there, and probably the cheapest in all of Dubai when we are talking about off-plan constructions. I hope I was able to give you all the details about this project, especially about the location. If you want any expert investment advice, you can get in touch with me. My handles are given below. My WhatsApp, Instagram and LinkedIn link. Me or my team will get in touch with you directly. I help my investors from scratch, from finding the right property to ultimately renting it, selling it for them and managing the entire property, and also getting them a golden visa if it fits in the criteria. So I am a one-stop solution, and I'll ensure that you make money in Dubai real estate or find a perfect home for yourself. So that was all for today. This is Chelsea Kukrera signing out. See you in the next video. I'll be coming up with a lot more content related to Dubai real estate and Dubai in general. So see you in the next videos. Keep sharing, liking and subscribing.